You're not going to find unlimited creativity, expression, and pleasures if you look outside of yourself. You don't have to look any further than your own body for that type of power. This energy center you tap into is the Sacral Chakra, the part of you where you get vulnerable, close, and intimate. In this life, you are both the artist and the art. Choose care instead of control, so you know during the times that you feel like you're spiraling down, that you yourself will always be the one setting it straight. By accepting, loving yourself deeply, allowing feelings to flow through and with your pain. Only show love, forgiveness, and insight to your wounds instead of judgment. You're going to see so much of yourself. That is something that you deserve, to be seen by you. That shit is enlightening. There's a lot of power in your emotions, a lot of flexibility in where you can take it. Hone them, talk to them, and walk your soul home, baby.